Ona gũtuĩka ndereti ya BBI na itanya rĩa gũcenjia watho ciragayũkanĩtie Akenya hakuhĩ na gatagatĩ ka arĩa maracinyita mbaru na arĩa mataraciendaga, itua rĩa igoti rĩa gũcokia cira riko rĩamũkĩrĩtwo na mĩena yothe gũtarĩ na ngayũkano. Mwahu ũrĩa ũrarĩ thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga igeria-inĩ rĩao rĩa kũrehe mogarũrũku ma watho ũkinyĩrĩirie BBI ĩrarĩ kĩhonia kũrĩ bũrũri na nĩkĩo ũrarĩ na mwĩhoko nayo.
I think there is no time to pursue this thing any further because there is no time even to follow up unless there are some legal issues that need to be clarified. Like of course the quorum issue as far as IBC is concerned, because that's something that really needs to be interpreted by the Supreme Court. We want to know whether any by-elections that have taken place since the resignation of the 3 or 4 commissioners are binding and are valid.
BBI is behind us now. What is trending and what these people need to understand, our fellow Kenyans, ni vile mifuko yao itapata pesa because we need a recovered economy. Biashara zetu zimeharibika na pesa imekosekana.
It's time for us to start putting Kenya in the right path of respect for our institutions and asking Kenyans to trust them because the judiciary has really shown us the way.
No na kũrĩ ũguo Mwahu ũngĩ ũrĩa ũnyitaga mbaru mũnini wa president ũrĩa wareganire na riboti ĩno kuma kĩambĩrĩria ugĩte igoti nĩ rĩrahonokirie katiba ya Kenya kuma ũgwati-inĩ wa kwagĩrwo kĩene.
No public participation, no civic education, no conference of any sort where actually Kenyans can be able to have a say. And remember, in 2010, the Kenyan constitution was passed by a whooping 76% of Kenyans. And, trying to change that through a backdoor was never going to work.
The initiative was not right, and now it's time that the government of the Republic of Kenya should focus on the more important things. And today, the most important thing is to allocate resources to fight COVID-19.
And therefore, I call upon the President. I call upon His Excellency William Ruto. I call upon Raila Odinga and other party leaders, including our son Mwangi Kionjoi. Hakuna kitu itazuilia watu wa handshake. Mahali handshake ilikatika, waendelee kusalimiana mpaka tusalimiane kwa vijiji. Uchaguzi ikikuja, ule atashinda, apisha. Ule anaanguka, kubali matokeo. Atongoria amwe maugĩte matukũ megũka, he bata mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa marendekithĩtio nĩ BBI mathũrimwo werũ nĩguo marũngwo kũringana na mabataro ma Kenya.
Lakini bado tunaamini kwamba taifa la Kenya inahitaji kuunganishwa kwa karibu, ndio mambo ya ukabila uende chini, ndio ugatuzi ipewe nguvu, ndio shida ya vijana itatuliwe, na ndio hii hata marginalization ya kabila ndogo waache kuhisi kwamba wao sio kama wa Kenya halisi.
The BBI decision has been reached, but it's just the beginning of rebranding, our political rebranding. It's a handshake in the ODM and the people of Narok. So I can only say that we are ready to fight for our space.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.